Oh, hey there, folks. Well, we're gonna have to change the oil on the old girl here. The 1990 Ford F-150 302 right here. We're gonna do a little bit of restoration on this. Not right now, but I'm gonna do it right here. Give you a little walk around. Right there. I have the corner cabs already. I'm waiting for I'm sorry. I have the corner cabs ready, coming out for it. There, and I guess whoever did this really, I don't know if you can see it or not. All the way around. All the way around and down. So apparently this bed part was done once before. But hey, I get a lot of flack about driving in this old car, or the old cars that I own. But I look at it this way: they're mine, and I don't owe anybody any money. The filter is down there. I guess you can see it right down there. Oh well. All right, let me give Junior a hand here and I'll be right back. All right, folks. We're doing, hold on, before you do that. We're doing an oil change on this F-150. 1990. They call this, I don't know what they call it. A brick nose, bull nose, I don't know. OBS, whatever. Anyway, we're going to try this. I'm not going to try, but if it's not on hard enough, yeah. We're going to try this tool. It's basically the size of the cap here. Where's that oil filter? Let me show it. All right, that's about 20 bucks worth of gas. It'll fit. Wait a minute, I didn't get it yet. There you go. Put it. Take. No. There's oil there, you know that. Where's that oil pan? Yeah. Underneath. Nice place for it.
Yeah, really. Oh, crud.
Yeah, okay, folks. We got the oil filter, and we dabbed a little bit of oil all the way around the seal, whatever, rubber gasket, whatever, and you gotta put it down under here somewheres. All the way down here.
I know where it goes. I can put it on.
Okay.
I know where it goes.
Under there somewheres, folks. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna let Junior do it, because he knew where it took it out. There we go. Still dripping? No sponsor on this Castrol GTX 1040. The reason I use conventional motor oil on this is because I was told by a Ford technician that if I was to use synthetic oil in this old vehicle, the oil will be so thin and slick it would pass the seals and everything else, and it would leak and burn and all that good stuff. So he says just keep using conventional oil on these older vehicles. So I've been doing it so far, knock on wood.
Hey,
Looks good.
we're gonna look underneath, make sure there's no leaks.
Let's see.
Before I go any further.
Hey, I did it the same thing.
Well,
Hold on. I'm an old man. Nope, don't see any leaks. But then again, the motor's not running. Power steering. Look at that. Look at those knuckles. Power steering. Yep. Time to fix it. Old truck. What can I say? Focus. Well, whatever, folks. I don't think you can. This is so close. Back up a little bit. Nope, still can't see. Well, anyway, they have this line here, clear. Here it is, full. So we're going to put one more quart. So we're going to use this as a gauge. So we're just going to add one more quart to this engine here, because I don't have a quart. So yeah, put that back down. Go for it. I'm holding it. I'm holding it. Don't worry. All right. Go add another one more quart. All right. Look at the line there. See. A little bit more down to about right there.
Alright.
Okay, there you go. We're gonna wipe clean and we're gonna check it out. Watch your earphones. Alright there, okay, folks. The transfusion on this vehicle has been complete and it has been successful.
yes, you heard right. Vehicle.
Vehicle. Whatever. Whatever. Anyway. What's next to do on this? Besides this, which I still say it's the kick down. I don't know why. It's not binding or anything. It's just tight, real tight. It's either that or I doubt if it's this spring in here because it's loose. But I don't know. Maybe that's maybe it's a wrong bracket or something. I just don't know. But anyway, that's it. It's successful. We're locking up. We're closing up. We're buttoning everything up, and we're going home. Oh, and just to give you a heads up on this, what I'm going to do next, because it is almost winter time. Give you a hint. Yeah, you see it right. That's next. Okay, folks. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And stay safe out there. Later.